उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः शब्दः the word guru is ukaranta. U is at the end. Guru, U is at the end. Pullinga, masculine. Guru means teacher. Read it. Guruhu, Guru, Guravah, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroh, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroh, Gurvoh, Gurunam, Gurau, Gurvoh, Gurushu, He Guru, He Guru, He Guravah,